Still using ChatGPT? It's time to upgrade your AI workflow. This presentation was made in 5 minutes, this website in 60 seconds, and this entire brand design in 1 click. And all of it was done inside one tool. Let me show you something crazy. Meet Genspark. This Silicon Valley AI startup just hit $1 billion valuation in 6 months with only 30 people. And after testing it, I completely understand why. Genspark is an all-in-one AI workspace that can research, create, and execute real work for you. Not just chatting, not just answering questions. It actually does the work. Slides, documents, websites, designs, data analysis, automation, everything in one place. I've been testing it for the past few weeks, and honestly, this feels like having an entire team of AI employees working 24/7. Let's start with something everyone hates doing, making presentations. Normally this takes hours, sometimes an entire day if you're doing it right.
Watch this. Create a professional pitch deck for an AI startup. I just type in what I need and Genspark goes to work. It researches the topic, writes the content, designs the slides, and structures everything with proper flow and hierarchy. This entire presentation, it used to take me 4 to 5 hours minimum. Genspark does it in under 5 minutes, and I can export this directly to PowerPoint or Google Slides with all formatting intact. Just this feature alone can save you days of work every single month. Now imagine you're starting a brand, launching a product, or creating a YouTube channel. You need a logo, posters, social media designs, maybe some product mock-ups. Normally, you'd open Canva or Photoshop and spend hours tweaking things until they look decent, or you'd hire a designer and spend hundreds of dollars. Not anymore. Create a full brand identity for a modern tech brand. Look at this. It generates the logo, color palette, typography, posters, social media templates, even product mock-ups. And here's what makes this different from Canva. You can edit everything using text prompts, image references, or even rough sketches. You don't need design skills, just describe what you want. For most creators, freelancers, and small businesses, this completely replaces both Canva and Photoshop. Now this is where things get really crazy. AI developer, let's build a real functional website from scratch. Build a modern business website for a healthcare staffing company. No coding, no templates, no WordPress setup, no hosting headaches. Just describe what you need. It designs the entire layout, writes clean production ready code, creates all the sections, hero, services, about, contact, everything. You're watching it build a complete multi-page website in real time. And this isn't some basic landing page. This is a professional business website you could actually launch today. This used to cost anywhere from $500 to $5,000 depending on who you hired. Now it's just a prompt. You could literally validate a business idea and have a live website running in under 10 minutes. If you work with Excel, Google Sheets, or any kind of data analysis, you need to see this AI Sheet 20. I'm going to upload some raw data and let Genspark analyze it. Watch what happens. It automatically writes formulas, runs statistical analysis, generates charts, and even writes SQL queries if you need them. And here's the game changer. When I export this to Excel, everything stays perfectly formatted. All the formulas work. All the charts transfer. This essentially gives you a fully automated data analyst that works at the speed of AI. No more YouTube tutorials on VLOOKUP. No more formula debugging. Just upload your data and ask questions. Okay, now let me show you why this is actually revolutionary. Everything I just showed you, it all lives in the same workspace. Here's what I mean. I used an AI designer to create a complete brand identity for a business idea. Then I took that exact same brand and built a full website with AI developers. Same colors, same fonts, same visual style. I created a pitch deck with AI slides using the same branding to present to investors. And I used AI sheets to analyze market data and build financial projections to back up that pitch. All of this happened in one workspace. No switching between 10 different apps. No downloading files and re-uploading them. No copy-pasting brand colors between tools. Everything talks to each other. This is what I mean by an AI workspace. It's not just a collection of tools. It's a complete operating system for getting work done, and that changes everything. Here's what makes Genspark different from every other AI tool you've tried. Most AI tools just give you text or an answer. Genspark actually finishes the job. You don't just get a response, you get a completed deliverable. You can use it immediately. A finished presentation, a live website, a professional design, a complete data analysis. It's like having a full AI team, a designer, a developer, a data analyst, a presentation specialist, all working for you 24/7. And they all share the same context, the same files, the same workspace. You can try Genspark with free credits when you sign up. No credit card required. And here's the wild part. Genspark is offering unlimited usage of AI chat and AI image features for all of 2026. That includes Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image, Flux, Seedream, Gemini 3 Pro, GPT-52, Claude Opus 45, and more, all with unlimited access. That's literally thousands of dollars worth of AI access completely free for the entire year. The link is in the description. Try it once and you'll immediately see why this is different from every other AI tool you've used. We're not entering the AI tools era anymore. We're entering the AI workforce era. And Genspark isn't just building tools. They're building the operating system for that future. See you in the next.